Do you know which country has this shape? It's Guatemala. Deep within the emerald jungles of Central America lies a land where ancient stone pyramids pierce the clouds and active volcanoes paint the night sky red. This is Guatemala, the beating heart of the Mayan world and a place where the mysteries of the past are still very much alive today. Guatemala is located in the northernmost part of Central America, serving as the gateway between Mexico to the north and El Salvador and Honduras to the southeast. It is a land of dramatic contrasts, squeezed between the Pacific Ocean and the Caribbean Sea. The country is defined by its rugged topography. It is home to the Sierra de los Cucumitanes, the highest non-volcanic mountain range in Central America, and over 30 volcanoes. Among them is Tajumulco, the highest peak in the region. The climate varies from the humid, tropical heat of the lowlands to the eternal spring of the central highlands, where the air is cool and the soil is incredibly fertile. Guatemala is the most populous country in Central America, with over 18 million people living within its territory of 108,000 square kilometers. Its capital, Guatemala City, is a sprawling, high-altitude metropolis that serves as the nation's political and economic engine. The official language is Spanish, but the country's identity is deeply shaped by over 20 distinct Mayan languages. In your pocket, you'll carry the quetzal, the national currency named after the radiant, long-tailed bird that symbolizes liberty. The history of Guatemala is legendary. It was the epicenter of the Maya civilization, which reached its peak between 250 and 900 AD, leaving behind architectural wonders like the towering temples of Tikal. After the Spanish conquest in the 16th century, Guatemala became the capital of a kingdom that governed most of Central America. It gained independence from Spain in 1821, but the 20th century was marked by internal struggle and a 36-year civil war that ended in 1996. Today, the nation is defined by its journey toward healing and its pride in its ancestral roots. Guatemala's greatest treasure is its people. It has one of the largest indigenous populations in the Americas, with nearly half the citizens identifying as Maya. This heritage is visible everywhere, from the vibrant, hand-woven hupils worn by women to the syncretic religious festivals where Catholicism blends with ancient Mayan rituals. The town of Chichicastenango hosts one of the largest traditional markets in the world, a sensory explosion of color, incense, and tradition. This is a culture that honors the earth and the spirits of the ancestors in every handmade tortilla and every village festival. Economically, Guatemala is the largest economy in Central America. It is a global leader in the export of high-quality coffee, sugar, and bananas. The volcanic soil provides the perfect environment for specialty crops, including cardamom, where Guatemala is a top world producer. Beyond agriculture, the country is rich in minerals and timber, and its tourism industry is booming as travelers flock to see the colonial charm of Antigua and the breathtaking beauty of Lake Atitlan, often described as the most beautiful lake in the world. Today, Guatemala stands at a crossroads. While it faces challenges like poverty and infrastructure needs, its future is fueled by a young, ambitious population and a growing tech sector. The country's potential lies in its unparalleled cultural heritage and its strategic position as a trade hub. As the world rediscovers the value of sustainable tourism and ancient wisdom, Guatemala is poised to become not just a historical relic, but a modern leader in Central America. The land of the trees is growing, and its story is far from over. Which country should we explore next? Leave your suggestion in the comments and join us on this journey around the world.